OnePlus has started rolling out a new software update for its recently launched OnePlus Nord N100. The device is now receiving the OxygenOS 10.5.1 update with enhanced feature, system improvement, and optimization. Currently, this update is only available for the OnePlus Nord N100 user in Europe. According to the changelog, this new firmware update for OnePlus Nord N100 comes with an improved touchscreen experience and improved network performance and Bluetooth compatibility. The new software update also adds improvement for the camera to increase the image capturing and video shooting experience and improve system stability to increase user experience. As per changelog, the update has optimized the touch interaction experience, improved system stability, improved the shooting experience with the camera, improved the performance and stability of Wi-Fi transfer, and improved Bluetooth compatibility.